Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel, Marilette's World. On this video, we are going to make a quick tofu snack. Get a firm tofu. Cut the tofu into bite-sized squares. Tofus are ready for frying. Let's prepare our tofu dip. We will need soy sauce, vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and chopped onions. Fry them until they are golden brown. Turn them once and they are ready. Transfer the tofu to a plate. Serve with the tofu dip and enjoy. The dipping sauce complements the tofu. You can customize your snack by adding your favorite seasoning like garlic salt before you fry them. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.